Hello, welcome to the journey towards management consulting. In this section, we have been discussing the what and the why of these consulting cases. Till now, we have covered the what part of these consulting cases. We have understood what are these cases, how are they structured, and how I can use them to gauge a sense of this overall job which you are applying for. Now, moving on to the next module of the section, we will cover the why part of these consulting cases. The idea is very simple. All of you want to get into consulting. It makes sense. You have the right problem solving mindset, you have the analytical ability. Why the world need these consulting cases? Today, I'll give you a quick idea and the overview of why the world needs consulting cases and why interviewers rely heavily on your performance in these cases to decide whether you get in or not. So, in this particular section, we will cover the why of these consulting cases to test the end to end spectrum on how your interviewers would judge you. So, we have divided this section into three different parts. The very first one is test your problem solving ability. Just to give you a quick broad idea, that problem solving is one of the very important and major role as a consultant, and you will see this highlighted everywhere in the job description if you are applying for a strategy role. Next, moving on to the side on how you communicate. As I have discussed earlier as well in the what part of consulting cases, how you communicate is very, very, very important as a consultant. And these cases sets the right stage for a simulation scenario where I or any interviewer can judge how you communicate. What is your communication style? And that is what we will cover in detail as well in this why section of consulting cases. Finally, the why part ends where we try to cover the test your creativity section, and this will set the stage and cover the part for everything you need to know about why these consulting cases exist. With this, I'll see you in the next part where we will start discussing the problem solving section. Why consulting cases are used to decide your problem solving abilities. I'll see you there.